Welcome back, everybody. What is going on? Finally back to doing another video. It's been a little while here, Oklahoma. We've had some unbelievable weather. I've been looking at the weather and focusing on that past couple of weeks. Floods, tornadoes, you name it, we've had it. So things are sort of calming down now, so I was able to go out and get some cards and put out another video for you. Sorry I could not find any of the Bowman mega boxes. As many of you know, those are the hottest item out right now. And if you're not first one there when they're stocking them, you're not going to get them because people are grabbing them all up, throwing them in their cart and buying 20, 30 boxes at a time and reselling them for double the price. So until I can find some at Target for retail price, there may not be any on the channel to show you because I'm not paying $40 for a mega box of Bowman to encourage these guys to go out and scoop everything up and try to make a quick buck. So I'm not participating in that. I don't do that. So today we have Panini Prizm. First ever Panini product baseball that I've opened on the Oklahoma Baseball Cards YouTube channel. Not a huge fan of Panini, mainly because as far as baseball goes, they don't have the license to the major league teams. Therefore, you're not going to get any of the team logos. That's the biggest drawback that people don't like, myself included in this. I'm not a huge fan of them, but they brought back Prizm this year for baseball. It's a standalone product. It's a pretty decent looking set if you can get past the logos. They only have the Players Association license, so you get all the players, but you don't get any of the logos or any of the insignias, things like that, which is a huge drawback. That being said, I decided to go ahead and get some of the Prizm just because of football, basketball popularity has skyrocketed in the past couple of years. So just for fun, we're going to do this. I picked up the hanger pack and the Walmart exclusive mega box. Target has an exclusive box also. I think they're $40. These were $35 at Walmart. You do get one autograph per box, which is nice. The names I've seen come out of this are not anything too spectacular, just being honest with you. So probably get some sort of rookie, kind of lower end guy, most likely scenario for this. 2 bonus packs with the exclusive Cosmic Haze parallels. Target has the pink parallels. That's the difference in this. So without further ado, let's get into it here now that I've got my little spiel off there. Let you know what's been going on, what's been happening. As far as baseball goes, we've got some pretty neat products coming out. Topps Finest is coming out. Major League Debut has just come out past couple of weeks. So some cool things on the horizon coming up. So we're going to be looking at upping the frequency of the videos here as things start coming out and things get a little more calm here weather-wise. Here's the red, white, and blue exclusives. I mean, nice looking design. Andrew Benintendi. Red Prizm. Like I said, for those that don't know, of course this is just old news for the serious collector, but Prizm just doesn't have the logos. Some people just don't like Panini in general, but I really haven't got any Panini products in the past several years, just because I didn't really particularly care for any of their products, but they brought Prizm back. this year, so I thought I'd give that a try. Like, there's some guys in here, Miles Straw. Like, I'm sorry, and I'm a big baseball fan, but I've literally never heard of this guy. He had 9 at-bats last year. Miles Straw. There's an insert, Blake Snell. Got a Kansas City Royals, blue Prizm, Whit Merrifield. So there's our hanger pack. If I got anything too spectacular out of that. Mega box. The mega, oh my goodness, sorry about that. Mega amount of empty space inside of it. We'll go ahead and do these little bonus Prizm. What do they call these? Cosmic Haze Prizms. Cosmic Haze. Oh, not bad looking. Pedro Martinez. There's a Kyle Tucker, rookie. Yachty. And on through the packs. Syndergaard. That's a neat looking one there with the blue. That goes with the Dodgers team colors. Kershaw. These are super reflective in the light, so I'm trying to get a good look at them here. Lindor red. It's a pretty neat one there. Dakota Hudson rookie. Severino. There's a Bregman. Machines. Prizm. Refractor Prizm. And there's a Bryce Harper. That's a Prizm. This one's 54 of 99. That's a, appears to be, I guess, a zebra print Prizm. It's got an individual number, 54 of 99. So there we go. That's a nice one. Illumination. Stanton. Francisco Mejia. That's a Prizm. Parallel. There's a base, Kershaw. Freddie Freeman base. There's a throwback right there, Dontrelle Willis. Blue Prizm. Nolan Arenado, Fireworks. Insert. Ryan Sandberg, red Prizm. There we go. This is what I'm looking for right here. My favorite player of all time, Ozzy. Justice Sheffield rookie, Danny Jansen, red Prizm. But it's just something a little bit off when you don't see those iconic logos, those birds on the bat, that STL on the hat. Just not quite right. Josh Donaldson, there's our autograph. Got a Jack Flaherty. sort of a sky blue, light blue parallel. And our last pack, Jonathan Davis, Toronto rookie, Prizm, 30 out of 100. And I'll be honest, I have no idea who Jonathan Davis is, never heard of him. But I think that's kind of the deal with the autographs. They get one per box, but it's going to be kind of your lower end guys. That's kind of what you can expect. At any rate, there you go. $35 at Target. Excuse me, at Walmart. And I believe they're $40 for the mega boxes at Target. So if that interests you, they're out there. They're on the shelves. They're not getting scooped up at the frequency that the Bowman mega boxes are. If you found those and been able to bust any of those, congratulations. Good luck. Let me know what you think about this Panini Prizm product this year. If you like it, if you don't like it, if the logos, missing logos, are just the ultimate turnoff or whatever. It's not a bad looking product. Besides that, I don't think, but when you see a Ryan Sandberg card and he's just in a pinstripe jersey, no, on the iconic C on the hat, it's a little off-putting, but all in all, I mean, I kind of like the product. I may be in for a few more packs of this, just kind of for fun. So thank you all for watching. We'll be having some more videos coming up. We'll be back kind of on our normal schedule. Hopefully put out a couple videos a week for you all. So thank you for sticking there with me, and we'll see you later.